Hello traders, welcome to Trade NSE Analyticals channel. Hope you all are doing great. This is a short intro video about myself and my channel. I am a data analysis enthusiast and an automation engineer by profession. Since I have a little inclination towards trading and investing, I do a lot of data analysis on it. Recently, I thought of sharing my knowledge and experience with you all. So I started this YouTube channel. I will be uploading how-to video series in this channel. During this video series, my main focus is on intraday trading. All the knowledge I share based on my limited trading experience and extensive data analysis on market data. Since I have a regular day job, I could able to upload a video or two per week. If time permits, I will upload more such videos. Hope you would enjoy the upcoming video series. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification button for more trading videos. Happy trading!